Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now is the moment of truth. I just turned on my sprinklers and I'm gonna go around the back. Oh, hold it. Hold it. Full pressure. Go around to the back and see if my repair is holding. Oh, please let it be so. Please let it be so. Okay. Let us prove all the naysayers wrong. No. I'm probably wrong. But ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let's prove all the naysayers wrong. Okay, there's metal up here. And is there any moisture down there? So far, no moisture. So far, no moisture. Oh my heavens. All right. I let it sit and let the glue cure for about close to 24 hours. It's the next day, and there's no drips. Let's hope it stays that way. I'll give you an update if anything changes. Oh my heavens. So far, so good. So far, so good. Oh man. Please let it stay that way. This is such a headache. And that's a 2-minute video right there. But like I say, quick reminder what I did. Hairline crack there where the T comes up from the horizontal pipe, and I first sanded, cleaned, wiped, primered, put a coat of heavy PVC glue, the Heavy Clear OD brand. Let that set up. Then on top of that, I put some PTFT plumber's tape and wrapped that a good 20 or 30 times. I used the rest of my roll. Then on top of that, I put another coat of adhesive glue, or the OD heavy duty clear PVC adhesive. And then I put over that a clamp, cranked it down as hard as I could, and then over that I put electrical tape. Boy, if that doesn't hold it. Originally I was thinking about putting some, I saw some videos about flex tape, which is supposed to, you wrap it around and then it hardens over days or something like that. And that got pretty expensive. And I couldn't see the product that I had used to, the one that comes in sheets that you wrap around. I just thought rolls of tape, and they were like 15, 20, 25 bucks. I thought, I don't want to try that, so let's see if this holds. Oh my heavens. So far, so good. And of course, I'm not running this zone here, but the water pressure from the street is coming to here, and then it comes in these valves like this, and when these zones come on, water would begin to flow there, but the pressure is right here already, so, oh my heavens. Please let it be so. And now, maybe later today, I can go out here and hunt for that PVC pipe and try to isolate those two valves under my gazebo. Oh my heavens, that would be another headache solved. But thank you for listening. Bye-bye.